Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by choosing a reference track you know and setting the car volume to your normal listening level. This ensures changes are audible without distortion. Once done, reset the equalizer to flat so you can hear the true tonal balance. Make sure you pick the EQ mode that matches your system, 5/7/10 band for quick control or parametric for precise frequency work. This first setup prevents overcorrection and gives you a neutral baseline to work from. Now you focus on the core tonal areas. Start by taming muddiness in the 200 to 500 Hz region with small cuts of 1 to 3 dB. This clears instrument overlap. Next, add controlled bass between 60 and 120 Hz for warmth, but make sure the system doesn't clip. Less is often more. Then, to bring vocals forward, apply narrow boosts around 1 to 3 kHz. By working in small increments and listening, you shape clarity without introducing harshness. Finish by listening to several different tracks and checking overall balance, focusing on imaging and presence. Slight adjustments around 3 to 6 kHz can widen the stereo feel. Once satisfied, compare with the initial flat reference to confirm improvements and to ensure no distortion was introduced. If you hear harshness, drop the problematic band by 1 to 2 dB and reevaluate. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, reset to flat. Then reapply your best changes incrementally to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.